welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, everyone? I hope you're doing awesome. Thanks for jumping back into another video. Today we're going to check out our friend Zilliqa, and if you're very familiar with this coin, you know that we had a massive high of 0.25 cents back in May 2021 when we had that wild, euphoric, greedy alt season, and now we've corrected beyond our wildest dreams. Let's take a little look at some exciting news and where this coin can potentially go from here. So crypto fear and greed index is sitting around 27, which is actually kind of low really when you consider it, considering everything that's happening on geopolitical senses right now. Looking at all the Russia, Ukraine, disastrous news that is happening, and we're at only 27. Last month we were at 23, so could this be the last few months of fear before we get those big impulses? Perhaps, anticipating Q2 or April 2022 as a great year or month for crypto, shall I say? I think it's very, very possible. We do have some good news for Zilliqa is to be listed on the JBEX exchange today. As you can see, on the 25th of February at 5 p.m. UTC plus 8 time, it's going to happen. So we can see here on the exchange, that's really, really good. The Zilliqa on Juby increases the availability of ZIL to traders, therefore more unique wallet holders and more volume as well on major exchanges. So this is really, really good news for ZIL, and we might get a little pump out of this by the end of the day. We can see rank 129 trading at $0.038, 13.3% pump to the upside right now. Market cap is still relatively small, only 540 million, but that does give us a lot of room to potentially expand by tenfold. You're looking at 1000% gains by 2025, because this realistically could become a 5 billion market cap project should it get the right traction. We can see on the 30 days we're down 14.5%, but we did get a nice 12 to 15% pump on that 24-hour time frame. So let's have a little look. Before we do, I just want to say huge thanks to the patrons. You can become a patron. You'll get that one-on-one premium messaging. You'll get premium access to the Discord, which is literally just here, so you don't want to miss out on that, guys. Good news, juicy gains available there, and you'll get this book which transforms your journey. So let's just hop into the chart. Really, we can see that ZIL has taken a massive impulse on the 30th of October. We came all the way back down and we've corrected now below that 0.786 Fibonacci level, which usually is a key accumulation area in a bull market. But you can see, time and time again, we took this impulse, this retracement, we got an impulse here back through the bull market support band, and unfortunately we lost the bull market support band in November, where we saw a downtrend which is continuously putting through lower highs, lower lows. So is this the last lower low before we get a potential bump to the upside? Well, we can see on the RSI that once again we are now oversold, and every time it's oversold, what do we usually get? Oversold, we get a pump. Oversold, we're getting a pump. Oversold, we're getting a pump. Oversold, we get a pump. Usually getting this pattern of key accumulation, massive buying pressure around these oversold levels. So this could potentially be another key area to actually accumulate more dollar cost average and apply a small weight of your capital at this position. And what I'm also anticipating here is that we might get this double bottom reversal. As you can see, we've got the first bottom, second bottom, potential play out. I would anticipate something like this could happen, and if we break out to the upside, we come back to the 0.0069 level, which would actually allow us to retest that bull market support band over here. And you can see that bearish crossover on the MACD. However, it's bullish because we might get a reversal here from the relative strength index. Now also anticipate that we could get rejected here and still come back down to 0.32, retest, and even back down lower to the 0.00164. But usually a double bottom, we can anticipate this happening, and we break out to around that 0.0069 level, which would offer very, very big gains. You're looking at a 47% long opportunity should it happen, but do be aware, if we get rejected here or if we lose support here, we can still come down 50% as well. So it's very risky, very volatile coin, but once it does make a decision whether to move up or down, we're going to be looking at very, very wild movements such as this. As you can see, resistance here, resistance here. This is going to be the resistance at 0.047. If we get big volume at this resistance, then we're going to break through. Hopefully we target this key resistance over here at 0.69. So that's what I think is going to happen, guys. I'm sure you could all agree something like this is going to happen. Just looking at the analysis, looking at the bullish chart pattern that is playing out right now. So yeah, that's my price prediction in the short term. We've got 0.069 target on the bullish side, and on the bearish side, we do also have a $0.0032 bearish scenario if it happens. But I think right now more likely to see a bounce to the 0.0067. And if we also check out the total market cap, look at this. This is excluding Bitcoin, but this is very interesting because we've got basically, well, actually it's like a rising wedge. It's almost like a rising channel, shall I say. You see, liquidation, distribution here, come back down to this supply zone. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? Are we going to get these bounces back above the support band, or do we just come back down? Well, got to wait a little bit longer, see what happens when we retest this support band. Even on the total market cap, we're looking at a potential double bottom play out here. And if that happens, crypto will explode for Q2. So keep a good eye on the total market cap as well. We're sitting at 9.5 billion excluding Bitcoin. And I think it's very possible we're going to get this break to the upside. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here. And see you on the next video. Do consider becoming a patron down in the description below. Bye for now.